friends. So, in this time where it's our responsibility to stay at home and we feel like, oh, there's a whole world out there that we can't explore, there is a way to explore it. And this book tells us about that. And this book is called How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World. And it's written by Marjorie Priceman. Oh, wow. I'm excited. We'll see. Here's our beautiful world. Now we're all put in our places, but soon we will be able to visit each other again. How to make an apple pie and see the world. Making an apple pie is really very easy. First, get all the ingredients at the market. Mix them well, bake, and serve. Here we have our list. Apples, flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, butter, and egg. Wow. It's very easy, unless, of course, the market is closed. Is your market closed back home? Ours is closed, partially closed. It only opens like from 4 to noon. In that case, go home and pack a suitcase. Okay, take your shopping list and some walking shoes. Then catch a steamship bound for Europe. Use the 6 days on board to brush up on your Italian. Look, she's learning her Italian while we're on this imaginary steamboat going to Europe. If you time it right, you'll arrive in Italy in harvest time. Find a farm deep in the countryside. Gather some superb semolina wheat. An armful or two will do. Look at all the children in Italy. In harvest time, this will soon be again. Then, once you have your semolina flour, hop a train to France and locate a chicken. Look at this train, it's bound for Paris. Wow, she arrived in Paris. Look at the Eiffel Tower. French chickens lay elegant eggs, and you want only the finest ingredients for your pie. Coax the chicken to give you an egg. Better yet, bring the chicken with you. There's less chance of breaking the egg that way. Wow. So in your country, where can you find good wheat? Where can you find the best eggs? Now, we have flour, we have eggs. Now, get to Sri Lanka any way you can. Wow, look at this wonderful land. You can't miss it. Sri Lanka is a pear-shaped island in the Indian Ocean. The best cinnamon in the world is made there from the bark of the native kurundu tree. So go directly to the rainforest, find a kurundu tree, and peel off some bark. If a leopard is napping beneath the tree, be very quiet. Look, there she is, grabbing some cinnamon. Now, what are we missing in our list? Oh, I know. Milk. Hitch a ride to England. Make the acquaintance of a cow. You'll know she's an English cow from her good manners and charming accent. Ask if you can borrow a cup or two of milk. Even better, bring the whole cow with you for the freshest possible results. What are we missing? Stow away on a banana boat headed home to Jamaica. Jamaica, man. On your way there, you can pick up some salt. Fill a jar with salty sea water. Oh my, how fun it is to go and visit Jamaica. When the boat docks in Jamaica, walk to the nearest sugar plantation. Introduce yourself to everyone. Hey man, hey man. Tell them about the pie you're making. Then go into the fields and cut a few stalks of sugar cane. Mmm. There's tons of sugar cane here in our country too. What ingredients do you think you can give from your country to this wonderful apple pie? Better fly home. You don't want the ingredients to spoil. Woo, there they all are. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jamaica. Wait a minute. Aren't you forgetting something? What about the apples? Have the pilot drop you off in Vermont. Look, they're all parachuting. You won't have to go far to find an apple orchard. Pick 8 rosy apples from the top of the tree. Give 1 to the chicken, 1 to the cow, and eat 1 yourself. That leaves 5 for the pie. Then hurry home. Now, all you have to do is mill the wheat into flour, grind the kurundu bark into cinnamon, evaporate the seawater from the salt, boil the sugar cane, persuade the chicken to lay an egg, milk the cow, churn the milk into butter, slice the apples, mix the ingredients, and bake the pie. While the pie is cooling, invite some friends over to share it with you. Well, we can't now, but we can share it with our family. Remember that apple pie is delicious, topped with vanilla ice cream, which you can get at the market. But if the market happens to be closed, uh-oh. You can eat it plain because we can't wait to eat that pie. The end. And here is your apple pie recipe. I will post it right after this. Bye-bye. Have fun.